AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a modular guillotine knife assembly with a spring clamp and modified blade angle to precisely cut a wide variety of flexible materials. The unit has a cutting area with a maximum width of 24 inches. The rate of cuts is governed by both the air pressure and flow rate. A stainless steel blade with reduced blade angle makes a cut in the material. A spring-loaded clamp securely holds the material in place as it travels through the knife assembly to improve cut quality and accuracy. Clamp also has a silicone pad to prevent the material from being damaged. Knife assembly features all stainless steel components and can easily be mounted and installed in any position for convenient operation. Knife assembly requires low maintenance to operate. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.